The Negroni is one of those classic cocktails every craft bartender or every cocktail enthusiast probably already knows how to make. The fact that it's an equal part cocktail, meaning all of the ingredients are used in the same proportion, makes the recipe incredibly easy to remember. Now, the most widely accepted origin story dates back to 1919 when Count Camillo Negroni ordered an Americano, which is CAMPARI, sweet vermouth, and soda water, with gin instead of soda water. Now, this is a pretty intense substitution, but considering the fact that Count Camillo Negroni was an honest-to-goodness cowboy makes the story that much more believable. Now, the Negroni itself is a spirit-forward, bitter, slightly sweet, herbaceous cocktail, and it is absolutely delicious. A bit of an acquired taste, but I highly recommend trying it. So here's how you make the classic Negroni. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, the Negroni is an equal part cocktail. So we're going to use an ounce each of gin, CAMPARI, and sweet vermouth. Now, one of my favorite sweet vermouths out there is Carpano Antica, but there are quite a few out there, so choose your favorite sweet vermouth. And we're going to add some ice to the mixing glass and just chill it down to get it nice and cold, and add a little bit of water to the drink as well. When it finally gets down to temperature, we're going to go ahead and strain that into our favorite coupe glass and garnish it with an orange peel. Now that's how you make a classic Negroni. Cheers, everyone.